Good morning and good afternoon, guys. I'm so glad to join you in this part. My name is Stryker Descombe and this is your English teacher for today. Today, I'm going to teach you about the past continuous tense in English. Coming back. Okay, guys, as you can notice on the board, past continuous tense. It's not past continuous. Past continuous. No. When you have OUS is pronounced as E. S. Past continuous tense. Ok? C'est ça nous allons enseigner aujourd'hui. Non. Comment vous utiliser past continuous? Ok? Past continuous tense indicate something was going on during a period of time in the past. Let me say again for you. Past continuous tense indicates something was going on during a period of time in the past. Ça veut dire past temps, passé continu. C'est yo indiquer nous des bagailles que nous t'ai fait pendant une période de temps, mais toujours dans le passé. Par exemple, yon bagaille que m'te fait hier, yon bagaille que m'te fait mois passé, depuis dans le temps passé, c'est past continuous. Okay? I think that you understand. Do not forget to subscribe for more interesting video. Ou connaît l'on abonné, c'est aider nous pour avancer pour arriver pile. Okay? Abonnez à la chaîne là. Yes. Okay, guys. Now for the structure of the past continuous tense this is the structure. It is pronounced like that. Structure. Structure qui vient comment pour former un passé continu en anglais. Pour structure là, c'est subject plus past of the verb to be, past of the verb to be, plus the verb plus ing form. Ça c'est structure qui nous montre comment pour faire une phrase avec passé continu en anglais. Ça c'est structure moins gagnant qui montre comment pour faire une phrase with the past continuous tense. For the structure is subject plus past of the verb to be plus the verb and plus the ing form. The verb to be in the past is was in word. Was in word for to be. Si vous pouvez comprendre comment vous conjuguez le to be dans le temps passé, passez à regarder sur channel. Okay. Now this is the structure for the past continuous tense. It is subject plus past of the verb to be plus the verb plus ing form. Okay. Qui phrase ça montre que je suis capable de faire une phrase. Je suis capable de dire I was playing football yesterday. I was playing football yesterday. Yeah, moi t'ai joué football. Or, moi t'ai joué football. Yeah. I is the subject. Was is the past of the verb to be. And play. This is the verb. Play. The verb and we add the ing form. Okay? Ça c'est subject moyen. Ça c'est past of the verb to be. And this is the verb and we add the ing form to form the past continuous. C'est ça qui me fait dans le temps passé. Moi dit I was playing football yesterday. Pour he, nous capable dire he was going to the bank. He was going to the bank yesterday morning. A dit, il était allé dans la banque hier matin. He was going to the bank yesterday morning. He, it is the subject. This is the verb of the past. This is the verb, the past of the verb to be, was, and go. This is the verb to go, and we add the ing from the past continuous tense. He was going to the bank yesterday morning. Il était allé dans la banque hier matin. Nous sommes capables de faire une dernière phrase. Nous sommes capables de dire yo te apprendre une nouvelle langue. Yo te apprendre une nouvelle langue. Mois passé, m'a dit they were learning a new language. A new language last month. Yeah, they were learning a new language last month. A dit, yo te apprendre une nouvelle langue mois passé. Ça c'est comme ça, ou capable de former past continuous tense là. Ça c'est structure pour appliquer pour faire des phrases avec past continuous tense là. Is subject plus past of the verb to be plus the verb plus ing form. And I say I was playing football yesterday. Moi t'ai joué football hier. For he, I say he was going to the bank yesterday morning. Il était allé dans la banque hier matin. C'est ça qu'il fait dans le passé. They were learning a new language last month. Yo te apprendre une nouvelle langue mois passé. Ça c'est comme ça, vous êtes capable de faire phrase avec past continuous tense. Parce que c'est tout ça nous avons pour vous aujourd'hui. Ou soit apprendre present continuous tense et ou bien apprendre past continuous tense. Parce que vous mémoriser tous les deux. Vous mémoriser present continuous tense et vous mémoriser past continuous tense. Si vous pouvez regarder present continuous tense, en fait, vous pouvez passer à regarder present continuous tense in English. Okay? I think that you memorize them, and I give to you the structure of the past continuous in English is subject, past of the verb to be plus the verb plus ing form. And this is the phrase that you can do with the past continuous tense. It was a nice moment in this video. Do not forget to leave a comment and like this video. Subscribe for more interesting video. Do not forget also to share it to everyone, to share it to every friend. Okay? This is your teacher. Goodbye. See you next. Love you.